Hey guys, it's Ed Ebenezer again, and from Samani Enterprise Tutors, and I hope you've been following in on our Kotlin tutorials. Yeah, Kotlin is a programming language such as Java, almost have the same functions as Java does. But lately we've been looking at operators. We've looked at logical operator. We've looked at assignment operators. We've looked at arithmetic operators, increment and decrement operators. But in case or you've not seen those videos, now please, I'll be putting the link below where you can get them and where you can view them so that you can follow along. So what is relational operators? Now relational operators are operators that check up that check if two values or two variables are the same. You check if one is greater than, if one is less than, check if they are equal, check if they are not equal. So majorly you use relational operators to compare two variables together to check for which is greater, which is less than, as the case may be. And then today we're going to be looking at, I think, a few of them, or all of them, 6 or 7 of them. The first one we're going to be looking at is the equals to. Now this checks if the two variables are the same, meaning that if their values are the same. Okay, and then we have the not equals to, like you guessed, this check the same. Okay, so this will be equals to true if variable a is not equal to variable b, and this will be equals to true if variable a is equals to variable b. Then we have the greater than, which checks if one variable is greater than the other. We have the less than, we have the greater than or equals to, we have the less than or equals to. Okay, so these are the relational operators we have, and then we're going to be looking at them individually. First of all, let's have a variable. We call it a var, give it an integer type. Okay, integer type, give it the value of 6, and then a variable called b var, give it an integer type. Okay, and give it a value of 8. Now, so we're going to be testing all this using an if statement. Okay, so what we're going to say is if a is equals to b var. Okay, so this is how you use it. One variable on the right and one variable on the right. So if a var is equals to b var, we're going to print line, and then we're going to say that a var is equal to, okay, we're going to say b var. All right, so I'm going to be copying this, and we're just going to be checking each and every of the operator one after the other, but then we're going to change the text as it applies to them. Okay, now if a var not equals to b var, print a var is not equal to b var. Okay, so this is greater than, so we can say if a var is greater than b var, print a var is, okay, a var is greater than b var. Okay, so this is less than, a var is less than b var, so greater than or equals to. Now what this means is if a var is greater than or equal, so if it is 8, if a var is 8 and b var is 8, this statement will be true because it is greater, it is not greater than, but then it is equal to it. Okay, so we'll change this to greater than or equals to. So a var is greater than or equal to b var. All right, then we'll change this, not b var now, but b var. Okay, if is we'll put this as is less than or equal to b var. Okay, so having this in mind, we'll run this as a Kotlin application, and let's see what it gives us. 92. Okay, so 6 is not equals to 8. Okay, and then 6 is less than 8, which is this one. Okay, is less than, and then 6 is less than or greater to 8, which is this one. Now as you can see, only 3 blocks of code were true because those statements were met, or those conditions were met. The first one is equals to now, not equal to now, not equal to, which is this one, now. 6 is not equals to 8. Okay, so this is correct, so that is printed out as the first statement. 6 is less than 8, which is this one, which is the less than relational operator. So definitely 6 is less than 8, and then 6 is less than or equals to 8, which is this one. Okay, so it is not equals to 8, but as long as it is less than, this statement will be true. Okay, so if we want to change this a bit, we will just give this the value of 10, the value of 8, so we can run as Kotlin application, and then that will just be the inverse of what we saw. Okay, so b is not equals to 8, 10 is greater than 8. Okay, so if we put this to be 10, 10, run as Kotlin application. Okay, where's the error? Alright, I can't find any error. Let's run Kotlin application. I proceed. Let me see where the error would be. Okay, so there you go. 10 is equal to 10. 10 is greater than or equal to 10. 10 is less than or equals to 10. I remember I explained to you that once it is greater than or once it is equals to, these two statements, would be true. Okay, guys, so here we'll come to the end of our relational operators tutorials. Please do keep watching, and please do keep the hands-on going. That would pay you a lot than the video. So watch the video and keep practicing, write a number of codes to ensure that you understand the logic and you understand how it works. So thank you for watching. Please do come back and watch more, and God bless.